Every morning, I feel like I am arranging a piece of my own soul by this window. I must place these roses just right so the sun can wake them up.
Is this enough for one flower for my mom, Maya?
It is more than enough, because love weighs more than gold.
You pick the ones that have a story to tell, don't you, Rumi?
These wild flowers carry the wild whispers of the hills.
Shop feels more like a home than a business.
Oh, thank you. Flowers don't just decorate a room, they fill the silence with laughter. I watch Rumi work every day, and I see how she heals this town, one petal at a time. Would you like your usual tea to end your long and beautiful day? That sounds perfect, thank you.
Make that two.
The ocean reminds me that beauty is as vast as the blue horizon. Thank you for the peace you send to my little shop. Drink deep, my friends, the stars are coming to watch over you. The door is closed, but the fragrance stays in my heart until tomorrow. Drink deep, my friends, the stars are coming to watch over you.